Hey, it's Mr. Eason with Homework Help. We are going to talk about finding fractional parts of groups. This is actually a review from a 4th grade skill, so we'll try to make this video brief. Basically, you're trying to figure out, splitting up numbers into fractional groups. So we'll start off with an easy one, like 1/2 of 24. All that really means you're doing is you are either doing 24 divided by 2, or you're doing 1/2 times 24. You're going to get the same thing no matter what. If you do 24 divided by 2, you're going to get 12, so 1/2 of 24 would be 12. We'll look at a couple more examples next. Same thing, 1/3 of 30. This time, since our denominator is 3, we are going to be dividing by 3. So we're going to be doing 30 divided by 3. When you do 30 divided by 3, you get 10. So 1/3 of 30 is 10. We'll look at 2 more examples and then we'll be done. Last one, they get a little harder on this page. We're looking for 2/3 of 24 to start. So if you're doing 2/3 of 24, the first thing you do is you are going to split your 24 up into 3 equal groups, because thirds are the equal groups. So I'm actually going to draw myself a box, and I'm going to split this box up into thirds. And so the idea is I want this box to hold 24 things, and I want them to be into 3 equal groups. So if you split 24 into 3 equal groups, you're going to get 8 in each group. Okay? Each of those things is a third. So we've got a third here, we've got a third in the middle, and we've got a third on the right. If we need 2/3, we're going to circle 2 of those equal groups right there. So 2/3 of 24 would equal 16. Okay? We're going to do the same thing with 3/4 of 28. This time, I'm going to be splitting my box up into 4 equal pieces because we're in fourths. So cut them in fourths here. Then I'm trying to figure out what number can go into 28 4 different times, 28 divided by 4. And I remember that it's probably going to be 7. So each 1/4 section is 7 things. Okay, we've got 1/4 here, 1/4 here, 1/4 here, and 1/4 here. If we need 3/4, we're going to circle 3 of those equal groups here. So we're going to get 21, and so 3/4 of 28 is 21. Hopefully this is a good refresher for you, and good luck on your homework. I'll see you in class tomorrow.